One of our core values here at Clean USA is to always see things from our customer's point of view. We call it putting on our customer eyeglasses. So during each service appointment, we create positive moments of truth so our customers can feel, know, and experience what we call the greatest cleaning on the planet. Hi, I'm Justin Elliott, President and CEO of Clean USA. At Clean USA, we specialize in cleaning and restoration services for both residential and commercial customers. We use a unique 10-step cleaning process that cleans deeper and dries quicker so our customers can be sure that their carpets, furniture, and hard surfaces are always looking their best. But that's not all. We also provide janitorial and office cleaning services for our commercial customers, and we offer 24-hour emergency services for floods, fire, and mold cleanup. We're kind of like a one-stop shop for all your cleaning and restoration needs. What really makes us unique is our no-obligation quotes and free cleaning offers for new customers who can try us out free of charge before purchasing any services. It's an awesome way to test drive our services to see if we were a good fit. When our customers walk into their homes or businesses, we want to set the stage and create a positive moment of truth where they can say, wow, this place is clean, and really be proud in choosing our services and confident when partnering with Clean USA.